Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab, and this is our 2025 Jeep Wrangler Willys. We just picked this up, and if you know a little bit about me, I shoot videos on how to install our own vinyl products on these vehicles. So I almost purchased a vehicle without the recon package, and it would have had a sticker kind of like this right here. However, because I got the recon package and it has this reinforced hinge right here, it doesn't come with any, so I wanted to add it on right about here. So right now it's 72 degrees. However, this is going on very clean paint. I would still try to do this install above 50-degree weather. However, don't do it in direct sunlight or your vinyl will get kind of melty and it'll get kind of stretchy and it'll be hard to install properly. What I do have is wax-free detailer because we don't want anything in between the adhesive and the paint. We just want it clean. So I'll clean it with that. And I have a microfiber right here. Unlike some of my other videos, this does have transfer paper and we will be doing a dry install. All right, so I'm going to spray this area, make sure it is clean. Use my very clean microfiber towel on this very new paint. And then I am going to kind of figure out how I'm going to mount this. And I'm going to go about 1 centimeter down from the top of the tail light. Just make sure it's very vertical. All right, so the way you get vinyl off of transfer paper, first push down everywhere. And then start peeling off in a corner, making sure that it transfers onto the transfer paper. And then you see every letter come up. If it doesn't, go back and push down again. And now you can get rid of the backing paper. Ideally, you would do this when it's not that windy and it's kind of breezy right here. But try to get that alignment. I'm not going to push down all the way. I'm going to let it touch just enough so that it doesn't move. I'm going to run my finger down the middle and kind of push out to the edges so we don't get any bubbles. If you do get some small bubbles, chances are they will go away after being in the sun a little bit. So then hold the rest of it up with one hand and just push from the center out. Then you won't get any bubbles. Slowly forcing that air out. There you go. Once you get it all pressed down firmly, go ahead and peel that transfer paper back. What I like to do is not pull it straight out perpendicular to the surface. I like to fold it back on itself. And it seems to release the vinyl really well that way. And voila, you're done. All right, so there we go. There's the final product, all installed on our Wrangler. If you want one of these, you can pick it up on my website at stickerfab.com. But please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things I'm coming out with for the 2018 and up Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT.